Amazon Cloud instances in ArcGIS Monitor. You'll be able to follow along in the Adding Amazon tutorial in the ArcGIS Monitor help. You'll need to start by logging into the Amazon AWS console, creating the IAM user and getting its access key and secret access key. Here's the AWS Management Console where you will be able to log in. After logging in, you'll need to assign permissions and policies to the IAM user. Specifically, you'll need the CloudWatch read-only access to allow reading of metrics to show up in CloudWatch. There's documentation on Amazon covering what metrics are included and how to configure this. It's important to enable detailed monitoring for each instance to get consistent metrics for 1-minute and 5-minute intervals. Keep in mind that CloudWatch doesn't provide all the counters that you might expect by default. Disk space usage, RAM utilization are not provided by default. If you want these metrics, you'll need to write a custom script, and documentation on Amazon is provided on how to accomplish that. Once you have that configured, you can start the ArcGIS Monitor Administrator, open the connection, and then add an Amazon counter type. We'll start by selecting the Amazon counter type, right-clicking and selecting Add. Then we'll select the new Amazon item and enter a descriptive name. In this example, I will enter the name Production US West 1 as my description and title. Next, I need to click the Add Credential button. I will add a description here for the credentials, so I match it up with the access key and secret access key. I will enter those now. I'll click the Add button and then select the credential from the list. That matches my Production US West 1. We recommend 5-minute sample intervals for monitoring Amazon cloud instances. Optionally, I can put a description in here. Put in Production US 1. Next, I will select the region where the instance will be monitored. In this case, it will be US West 1. Now I can click the Test button, and it will attempt to connect to the remote Amazon instances and collect metrics on CPU, disk information, HTTP code, load balancing information, as well as memory information. Everything looks good, so I will save changes. Next, we can log into the ArcGIS Monitor webpage, go to the Categories report, and look at the Infrastructure report. Here we can expand the Amazon counter type and select the Production US West option. And after 5 minutes, we can see that there's data being reported for CPU, and we can mouse over the data to see the values. We can look at disk information, number of instances running, load balancing information, and other statistics over different time periods. Thanks for watching.